Amarwara agahirwa uburaro ni rwanjugera hamwe na Nyamisindo agari harengo rwa Health Center ya kabiri kandi uburaro bwombeshe rwabihe rya UPDF area Engineering Brigade okumara ubwire bw'imezi mukaga kandi uburaro bwombi bumazireho miliyoni 352
okwiguraho mu mutongore ije y'abashaho ahaganya Nyamisindo bwije bakorera abantu bitu abantu bagira amagara marungi and government.
So today it was handing over officially. Project 10 maziroho 354 million. Site zona ibiri, two sites. Hano Rwanjogera na Nyamisindo. So basically buli site it was 100 million chikumi Nsanju na Musanju.
Staff quarters twasima abukuba abashako bitu babe batine buraro babintu barara omusentane bapangisa harene mirwaro abarwire babura kutunga obuhereza kunga hato babombekire oburaro obuhereza twaza kubutunga.
Amarwara gatwire gino buremeza habo kugira ngo abashobone bararahare rero abarwire batungo kuteganisubwa kandi hatenegije no kutungurwa kuzarengo rwa Health Center ya kashatu
ngo tufana akasente ako ku kiteko mu nkora tukabongera abashaho abazarisa bakaba baryaha tukabongera n'ibizinde biriroja kora rwajogerane kushobera nyuka magambe tutarabe twaresura umukono gwa rahanga gwatahire mwaha twateke gomboransi hariya na n'ibizinde byayo
habiriho kusima bombecha aba UPDF Engineering Brigade abombekera uburaro obu
bombekera tutine mikayana ningira chairman echo wawakigambire UPDF ute kwetaga na supervision
omuryecho harimo ibishenje bibiri sitting room na nekiyumbu yombekirwe duwire biherzwe na terazo kandi tubuconnectingire na amashanyarazi.
Umugandi Mark Mbonye orukure ntunguka y'abantu wa district ya Rubirizi ayahanangiriza abashije kurekeraho kwiga Nyamishwa umurindiro ry'Nyamishwa ecero kuteka amagaraga baharutezo ebi yabigambiro bw'aba Angela Stress Ministries babiri nubahereze y'ubuhwezi ahari Kicwamba Orphanage Foundation yerukushanga mu district ya Rubirizi
abamwe bazayo kwiga eiza Nyamishwa zubarirayo ninga abapaka bakoraki babita abandi nibazo mu forest bafunayo bizubu so eco tumere habaho abana bingi bamurekwa batine biyambi.
And also the scourge of HIV/AIDS around our community, and due to having very many landing sites around our community, many communities converge and have different intermarriages, and where some are still conservative and they don't even first go for checkup, and you find they are affecting their fellows. And some of the children we take care of are victims to HIV.
Angela Stress Ministries ohire y'ubuhwezo obu asimire mirimo ufanegera ukora abanaba.
And we know that you are shooting them in the direction of their destiny. You are shooting them into the plans, the path, and the purposes of God. One of the reasons that we come here to Kichwamba Orphanage is because the first time that I ever came here 4 years ago, it's been 4 years, we watched what Edison did, and we saw with the children, and we understood that this is not a ministry like most ministries that we have seen.
Ubuhezo obu bwaboromo buhunga ebitabo emyenda amahuri sabuni hamwe n'ebindi bingi gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya hamwe na Gilbert Muhanguzi.